Okay, so just a quick update on my interior restoration here. So I've now taken out the console, the front seats, and much of the dash. So I just wanted to show you where I'm at now. Haven't taken the actual gauge cluster out yet. I'm going to do that, but I'm going to save that for later right now. I've taken the stereo out. And the next thing I'll need to do as well is take the carpet out. I'm still not sure if I'm going to be able to save this carpet or not. So the jury is still out on that. But the interior is pretty much taken apart at this point. So I've got a lot of parts to de-rust and clean and paint. All the interior trim parts and everything. I need to do that. Got to fix the dash, got to fix the console, got to have the seats recovered. So I've got a lot of work to do now. So I think I've got this decomposed to the point to where I'm at a good stopping place for the moment. Just a quick look around. The car's in pretty good shape. Still got to clean up. Yep, I'm going to clean up. I'm going to make sure I put my tools away, and I'm going to have to vacuum this carpet one more time. It seems like I've already vacuumed it 3 times. It seems like no matter how hard I try, there's more dirt, more trash that has to be vacuumed out of the carpet. I think it oozes dirt. So we'll see. It's going to be interesting. Shag carpet is impossible to find, but I'm still looking. The good news is it's black, so if there's going to be any shag carpet available, hopefully it'll be black. All right. Well, stay tuned, guys. I'll give you some more updates in the near future. Please like, comment, or subscribe. If you have any comments or any advice, I'm always willing to listen. Always enjoy hearing back from other enthusiasts like myself. And so before it gets too dark, I want to go for a ride in the old truck, or maybe the Scat Pack. Who knows? I'm not sure. One of them. Anyway, have a good one and see you next time.